So you've got an e-scooter and you need to replace the front wheel. In this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to replace both the inner tube and the outer tube. We're going to be using the Techtron Ultra 5000 electric scooter. Before you get started, make sure you have the following things: 3 tie levers, a pump, a wrench, an Allen key set, and some gloves. Step 1, fold the Techtron Ultra 5000 onto a flat surface that you don't mind getting dirty. Step 2, deflate the tyre completely using a small Allen key. Step 3, remove the front tyre using the tyre levers. So the next step is to take off the nuts using your spanner. Okay, so the next step, you need to put the scooter to the side, and then you should just have the front wheel. Now it should be really easy to take the tyre off. And then the last thing to do is just take out the valve. And now you can separate it, so you can replace the inner tube, and then you can also replace the outer tube as well. So once you've got your new inner or outer tyre, make sure that the inner tyre is completely deflated. So after this, put the inner tube in the outer tube. So when you put it in, make sure you put the valve in, and then using your tyre levers, put it back in. Okay, so now we're going to put the wheel back on. Make sure this properly slots into the brake. So now you can thread that through. So to get this long piece in, all you need to do is line up like this, move the tyre so it's further away, and then you'll need to use a little bit of force, maybe even something like a wrench to push it in. So now that you've put the front wheel on the Ultra 5000, all you need to do is pump up the tyre. So if you don't have a pressure gauge, all you can use is press into the tyre, and it shouldn't go more than ½ an inch.